Look, Patrick is sucking his thumb. You want to come here? Nice job, buddy. Your left thumb. Yeah, it looks good, right? Here's a sneeze. Ow! Big sneeze. You finished your waffle, huh? Is he gonna get his thumb again? Let's see. Let's see. He's got it all set there. The other thumb this time. Well, I think not. Okay, Patrick. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nice wave.